Hey, it's Mike from Game Mode Engineer, and welcome to part 2 of This Week in Godot Engine, where we focused on tools and tutorials. So let's get started. Thomas Chabora has created a tool using Godot Engine for his game. It merges Tilemap tile colliders into big polygons, fixing problems with seams and performance on big maps. Merging polygons is surprisingly fast, but he caches them in the scene file to make loading faster. This map he's showing has 13,000 tiles. So instead of having 13,000 different polygons in the scene at the same time, he merges it all into one big one, and thus increasing performance quite a bit. Stein Makes Games is working on Dig Dig Boom, a game here. Or he is giving a tip for Godot Engine to make your code more readable and increase performance by turning on the untyped declaration error message. So if you turn this on, he tells you how to do it. If you turn it on to error, move it to error, it will then error out and not compile instead. So it will force you to use static types in Godot. And so it's supposed to be a performance improvement, and you'll get less bugs as well. Some people think you may get cyclic dependency errors if you do this, but using Godot 4.2.1, Stein says it's not a problem. And so you can wishlist Dig Dig Boom. It's a puzzle mining roguelike that he's working on. So Q4 2024. Lilu VFX has posted a video that has some demonstration of some weapon effects in Godot, some nice looking auras around the weapons, and advertising a free tutorial on their YouTube channel. You can head over to their YouTube channel to watch this 21-minute tutorial on how he did these weapon effects. Sven Tomasek has posted this video about water with cool sounds in this 3D environment he made with Godot. He has also posted a tutorial about picking up, dropping, and throwing physics objects in Godot 4.2 on his YouTube channel, so check it out. Omogonix has posted this link to a YouTube video, How to Make a Basic Horror Game in Godot Engine, Part 4.
It doesn't just have to be for a horror game. You can do that for, it can be for any kind of game. In fact,
check out their tutorial series on their YouTube channel and give them a like and subscribe. I'm personally going to be watching this tutorial series as it's an interesting topic. TheGates released a Godot 4 multiplayer template that has voice over IP. So if you want to take a look at their template, you can go to their GitHub page and download it yourself. A link will be left down below. Yuri Sizov has posted a video of his software synthesizer in Godot. He finally got it working. Yuri says that the software synthesizer is a GD extension written in C++, and it will be available as completely open source library, and probably pretty soon too. So we look forward to that being available to the community. Element Bound posted a video of a visual effect they're working on in Editor in Godot. They said that they will post a tutorial on this as well, so we look forward to the tutorial. Spymort has released a new plugin for Godot called TerraBrush, now available in the asset library. So check it out. It allows you to brush your terrain, and looks like you are brushing terrain, textures, and vegetation on. And there's a context menu as well, looks like. So check it out. It looks pretty good. And he's posted a video on YouTube on the easiest way to create a terrain in Godot to teach you how to use it. So check out TerraBrush and the video. I'll post a link to these below. Stay-at-home dev is demoing a weapon Bob for his Godot Engine FPS tutorial. Coming soon. Check out his YouTube channel for his How to Make an FPS in Godot playlist. It has over 20 videos, and I think it is one of the best tutorials on Godot on YouTube right now. I'll leave a link to it down below. Tebow showed off this animation of butterflies in Godot. They also have a project you can download on their GitHub page, and I will leave the link down below, and you can try out a variety of visual effects in this project. If you go to their GitHub repository, here is the download. So we click the code button, we download the zip file, and once you have extracted that zip file, we can load it into Godot. And once we have opened it in Godot, we see this, but we want to click the play button. So once the project loads, we have the ability to click the mouse button and move our mouse around to do the scene here. And if we press the space bar, the effect will play. Let's see. So we have a fire effect here. The first time it loads, it actually takes long. On my computer, it takes longer for that to load. But once it's loaded the first time, you can spam the spacebar and do that. So that's one effect, and then we have this effect. This is a static effect. It's like a force field. There's nothing happens when you click space. So the first time that animation loads, it takes longer, but then you can then click on it or press space bar, and it does right away. So it's like a nuclear explosion of the pumpkin. This one opens a portal and a hand reaches out and grabs the dummy. Gives it a slap. Nice looking effects. Here's the butterfly scene that we saw in the video. So if we click spacebar, it randomizes the flowers and the grass. And the butterflies will randomly spawn as you watch it. Here we have a cube, and we press the spacebar, and what happens to it? It gets sucked into a portal. There are fireworks effects, and you can actually rotate around them as well. It looks pretty cool, the sky box with fireworks, 3D fireworks. And we have this effect where these things come out of the ground and obliterate the target dummies. So if you want to see how these effects are done, you can come into the effects folder, and each effect has a name, Earth Attack for instance, and there's a script on each one of them. So you can take a look at the script to see how it was done. JJ Dev posted this video of his new Godot Engine mug. If you want one of these mugs, you can go to printful.com to this custom mugs page, and you will need this Godot Engine template that they posted on their Google Drive. You can make your own creations with the provided patterns, and they want you to tag them and show them off. So if you wish to do the same, you can get this link to the Google Drive folder and take a look, and then order your own custom mug if you wish. That's it for this week in Godot Engine. Stay tuned for next week's, and subscribe, comment down below if you like what you see, and we'll see you in the next update.